pala siya.
Ayun yung swimming pool, guys. Oh my gosh! Nasa garden ako today. Kakagising ko lang and ayan. Hey guys! Ang ganda ng lighting dito. Ayun yung sunset. And that's the moon. Ako lang yung mag-isa dito. So proud. Kasi marami talagang tao dito. Bye. I have to get down for breakfast. And I think I'm late now, so I think I'll just gonna wear my not wear, but I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I'm sleepy. Para bang hindi umaga. I'll be using this one for my sunblock. Oh my gosh, I love my skin. Alright, so I have to get down now.
Free ka ba next?
Saan tayo?
Pavilion.
Go.
Wait, dumaan kami dun sa sa pavilion, sa Heaven's Park.
Ay,
oo. Malapit lang yun.
Baka pala siya gago.
Dumaan kami. Nag-elevator pa kami, nakalak pa. Bakit kapag sa akin na may weirdohan ka?
Ha? Yes, ba? Tabi na ito.
Ulit, hindi nakita sa video. Hindi ka na mag-video na tayo.
1, 2. Uy, saan tayo? Saan yun?
Ayun yung swimming pool, guys. First time wearing PE uniform. Ang duwag ng damit. What the heck? Siguro bibili na lang ulit ako ng pang itaas. And I am using this again. Favorite. Sunblock. Go. Okay na yan. And then, lalagyan akong powder. Naglagay din ako ng konting lippy. And then, ayan. So, ang ginagawa ko palagi is sunblock, lippy, and then powder. Yun lang. Kasi ay! Ay, ito pala. Kasi these days, lagi na ako naka-makeup. Gawa nung, kapag may shoot, pictorial, kailangan naka-makeup. And medyo makapal din yung makeup na yan. So, I really have to, make some rest sa face ko. Sa face? Face, bro. Just got home. Hashtag just got home. So, this is the OOTV. Dinala ko yung laptop ko. Masisira na yung bag ko. Kailangan na bumili ng bago. Charay. Yung mga friends ko nandun sa school, nagsasama pa sila bonding. Pero I chose to uwi na. Kasi dami ko pang gagawin. I have 4 quizzes tomorrow and 1 assignment due tomorrow then deadline tomorrow, and I also have pasarela training 6 to 8 p.m. Nung junior high school ako, I was into makeups, like every day I go to school, pero ngayon wala na. Parang nagbago na rin kasi yung facial structure ko. So, I think in-embrace ko rin siya. And ayun, natutuwa akong hindi na muna mag-wear ng makeup this senior high school. And even outside, whenever I go outside. And then, next week, Monday, magka-cafe lang kami ni best friend ko. Yung seatmate ko. She's my new best friend, guys. Sabi niya sa akin, dami lang niya natututunan sa akin. I'm so kilig. Kasi ayun yung favorite compliment ko ever since. Yung the way how I think, the way how I act, and how I make people, how I make them feel. Ayun yung pinaka-important sa akin. Na compliment. I am currently studying, guys. Look at the setup. See you on the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.